Hello guys, in this video you will learn how you can hide activity status on Instagram. So now to start, open your Instagram app and then go to your profile page. Just tap on this profile icon at the bottom. After that, go to menu page. It will then direct you to settings and privacy. Now right here on the search bar, just search for show and then you can see show activity status. Just tap on that. As you can see right here, you can now turn off or turn on your activity status. You can enable or disable this option whenever you like. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Bye!